So guys, we are back, and here is the final touch for the MacBook Air. As you can see, Gopal, could you please open the front side? Front, this panel up. Keyboard. So you can see keyboard is installed with the new one. Everything is, I think, up to mark. So here we go. This is a lightning plate which help light not to get shattered here and there. A keyboard light. It's just in black tape. Guys, if you have any questions, you can just write in the comment section so we can answer you. Testing it. Here we need to give space for the connecting cable which we need to install. This is a connecting cable which we have to plug in. This is a connection between keyboard and motherboard, and this is motherboard. It's too small. This is batteries. This is a connection between motherboard and this trackpad. Speakers, bit small, but sound is very good. Almost done. There is a cable there as well, a very small cable. So here we go. I think another side, Gopal. It was like this. So inserting the cable into the jack. This way are getting it locked. Keyboard connection cable. It's done. Many more screws left. So guys, we will be back after packing this and we'll show you how keyboard work. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.